Hi everybody, it is Sunday morning and I am going to make a bird seed bell. I have been feeding the blue jays with peanuts and I'm out of peanuts, so I thought I would try to do this and save a little bit of money. So here we go. My bag of bird seed. This is a terracotta pot and I have put wax paper in it. Here is a bowl of my bird seed and I have added some cornmeal to it. Here is my gelatin and water and just waiting for the kettle to boil. And 2 pouches of gelatin, a quarter cup of water. And after a minute, I'm gonna add the boiling water. And for good stickiness measure, I'll put in a couple of tablespoons of corn syrup. I'm just gonna start pouring this a little bit at a time and then mix it in. In the meantime, I'm gonna make the hanger. So I'm going to take about a 24-inch piece of twine, put it in half, and I'm going to put a hole through the bottom of this, and it will be like this. So I have a hanger. I found this spoon that I have, and ends up being really good to pat everything down. And I just realized that I have the hanger on the big side of the belt. So it's going to be an upside down hanging bird bell. Okay, I just brought it in, put it upside down, and there it is. Here we go. And I just cut out this piece of cardboard from a pizza pack for the bottom. My first bird seed bell. Okay, and found its home.